We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Question number 5. The rectangular floor of Ms. Reagan's closet is completely covered with carpet squares. Each carpet square covers 1 square foot of the floor. There are 4 rows and each row has 16 carpet squares. What is the area of the floor of this closet in square feet? We're going to draw a carpet with 4 rows of 16 squares each. The area of a rectangle equals width times length. Therefore, 16 times 4 is 64. Question number 6. The numbers listed show the speed in miles per hour Henry pitched a baseball. Which dot plot represents the speed of Henry's pitches? Let's count the number of pitches for each value, finding 3 pitches of 30 miles per hour. For pitches at 32 miles per hour, so, G is the correct answer. Question number 7. Jill lists some different methods she thinks she can use to solve the multiplication problem shown. Which answer choice is not a correct method for Jill to use? "11 multiplied 7 equals 77. Not correct. So, D is the correct answer. A group of figures is shown. Which word best describes all the figures in the group? A trapezoid has exactly 2 sides or parallel. Hence, H is the correct answer.